DVD 3, Happy Ocean 88 Forms Introduction. The Happy Ocean 88 Forms is a unique routine created by Master Young. His purpose was not to make another Tai Chi form just to impress others. Rather, he carefully designed these forms to encompass all of the fundamentals of Tai Chi, which when broken down simply are the 13 components in Yin-Yang Circle. To make these forms easier to remember, we have broken the instruction into parts. The movements are repeated to give practitioners equal practice on both sides and in all directions, which other forms do not. These 88 forms are simple and practical for self-defense purposes. Another unique aspect of the Happy Ocean 88 forms is that they may be done barehanded or with weapons, like an umbrella, cane, double swords, kitchen knife, or scissors. Continued practice of these forms will strengthen you internally and externally and harmonize your mind, body, and spirit.